Hi everyone, so for Trick Tuesday we are going to learn how to do a hand spin. So what I would like you to do is start off in your strongest hand, hold the hoop to the side of you to begin with. Now just checking your posture, keeping the shoulders down. Now arms need to be locked to the side because for this move you don't want to have that hoop too close to your face. And you also don't want it too far away from you because you'll lose it. So just check your arms are locked in place. So the hand spin, the key is in the word hand. A lot of people start this move thinking they do it around the arm, but in fact it's in the hand. So you want to hold the hoop like this between your thumb and your fingers and get a good grip on the hoop. So palm up towards the ceiling, holding it. Begin by just swinging the hoop. Just start with this gentle rocking motion to begin with. Okay, so once you've established this, then you can have a go at spinning it round and catching it. So it doesn't matter whether you go forwards or backwards. I don't have a preference. You might find one way is easier for you, but try both ways. I'll go backwards. So I'm just going to spin it and catch it. I'm going to try again, spin and catch. You probably will need to watch your hoop. You probably won't be able to do this to begin with without looking. So watching your hoop, but just being aware that that arm's locked into place and it's not getting too close to your face. So spin and catch. Just start off with that very simple move to begin with. Don't get carried away and go straight into your full-on spin to begin with if you've never done this before, okay? So just remember, arms locked to the side, gripping that hoop, just a gentle rocking motion, and then you're going to let go and catch. Once you've got that and you're very comfortable with that, then you can let go and catch a little bit more. Making sure you can always control this hoop by stopping it when you need to. And eventually you can just let it flow through the hand so you don't have to grip it anymore. So just letting it flow through the hand. And pausing it when you're ready. So the reason we do this on our hand is so that we have control of the hoop, because you'll see when we're doing it on our hand, we can stop it when we need to. If we're doing this move on our arm, we can't really control this, okay? It will start getting closer to the face and eventually hit you in the face. So we always start this move in our hand. Strongest hand first. When you feel ready, you can do exactly the same in your other hand. You may find this slightly more difficult to begin with, but it's exactly the same process to get into it. And just start off with little baby steps, letting go and catching. So just a couple of tips for you. If you are using your heavier hoops, that is absolutely fine, but just be aware they are heavier. They may sort of irritate the backs of the hands a little bit if you stay in this move for too long. So if you're using your heavier hoops, don't stay in this move too long. Try not to be scared of the hoop. It all comes down to confidence with these moves. So I know it's really hard to sort of say this, but just try not to be scared and try to be confident, because if you're confident, then the moves will happen a lot easier for you. So again, let me know how you get on with your hand spins, and I hope to hear that you've all been successful with those soon.